Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some decent money, but more importantly how you can save people's lives, including your own, your family members, your loved ones, and your friends as well, and many other people. So if you're interested in this video, you want to stick around and see this, and I'm going to get started on it here when I flip over to my other monitor here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here. And if this is your first time here to my video, or you've been here before to my channel or my videos and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, while we're thinking about it and talking about it, if you come right down below the video there, right, that you see, you'll see this red subscribe button right there. Click on that button, and don't forget to click that little bell that shows up there right to the right side of it, so that you get notified when I upload new videos each and every time, which I always do, because I'm trying to more financial and time freedom into your guys' life with each and every video. Alrighty guys, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. First of all, what I want to say here at the outset is that if you don't want to see this video and you're not interested in helping to save people's lives, including your own and your family members, then you can just go ahead and skip right off of this video and go watch one of my other hundreds of videos that'll show you how to make more money online, because this particular video is you'll be able to make some decent little bit of money with this method right here today, but there's something more important involved in this video today. And no, I'm not talking about the coronavirus stuff either. This is something else more important. In fact, this epidemic that I'm talking about is far greater than the coronavirus stuff that's going on in our world today. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then you just hang out with me through this video here, because I'm going to show you some startling things here, and then I'm going to show you how you can help this and make some good, decent money for yourself in the process. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this. And what we're talking about today is this right here. And first of all, let me say at the outset here that I hope and pray that none of you watching this video has ever experienced any deaths or serious injury, or any injury for that matter, due to this right here, what we're going to be talking about today. Texting and driving is probably the worst epidemic in our world today. Some people think coronavirus is. I dare to disagree. What I want to show you here is some texting and driving statistics that happen, and also I might as well just confess to you all right now that I myself have been guilty of this in the past. However, I don't do it anymore because I got wise from where I almost caused an accident myself one day because of being involved with texting while I was driving. As you can see here, I looked up and did some research on some statistics for texting and driving as far as deaths and injuries go. Now, I was only able to find the information for the United States, but if you guys are living in another country, I'm sure you could do some research on Google and find out these types of statistics for your country and or region as well. Alright, so anyways, down here we're talking about is, you probably know that using a cell phone while driving isn't a smart thing to do, but we believe that every driver should understand the full consequences of texting or sending emails behind the wheel of a vehicle. That's why we gathered various valuable statistics to provide complete insight into how dangerous this practice is. And if we scroll down here, we can see that some of these statistics are right here. Driving while texting causes 1.6 million car accidents in the U.S. every year. And then also 20% of U.S. drivers reported sending emails or text messages while on the road driving. 25% of all car crashes in the U.S. involve the use of a cell phone. Guys, that 25%, that's 1/4 of the nation driving while using their cell phones, texting or sending emails. That's pretty startling. 1/4 of the traffic in the United States. That's incredible. In 2018, the number of deaths related to cell phone use in car accidents was 4,637 in the U.S. alone. Almost 390,000 injuries occur annually in the U.S. due to texting while driving. It says here, people also ask how many deaths a year are caused by texting and driving. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, the number of texting while driving deaths is about 6,000 annually in the U.S. alone. That's quite a lot, 6,000 deaths a year. How many accidents are caused by texting and driving is one of the questions here. Texting while driving causes 1.6 million car accidents every year. And then also it says, what are the chances of crashing while texting? It says you are 23 times more likely to crash your vehicle if you're reading or sending a text message. Is texting and driving more dangerous than drinking? According to recent texting and driving statistics by the NHTSA, messaging while driving is 6 times more dangerous than drunk driving. Texting and driving fatalities in 2018, number of U.S. cell phone related deaths was 4,637 in 2018. That's a substantial increase from 2017, when only 3,166 people died because they used a cell phone while driving. Still, that's an incredible amount of deaths. Here it says 25% of all car accidents in the U.S. involve the use of a cell phone. That's 1/4 again. That's still substantially below the number of alcohol-related vehicle fatalities. According to car accident statistics, around 40% of all vehicle-related deaths are linked to driving after having too much to drink. And then it says road rage is another prominent cause of car accidents as well. And then it shows some of the state statistics here and stuff. We won't go over that too much. I mean, it's each state that labels and shows different deaths and amount for the last year or so. It says here almost 390,000 injuries occur annually in texting and driving crashes. That's incredible. Furthermore, according to a report by the National Safety Council, using a cell phone while driving leads to 1.6 million, which we read up there before. The rate of pedestrian deaths rose by 27% from 2007 to 2017. What that means is people walking across the street while talking on their phone, not paying attention to the traffic or the traffic lights, end up getting killed as well. And it says here 11 teenagers die every day because of texting and driving. Here again, I hope that this has not happened to any of you folks watching my video right now. The distracted driving and text stats don't favor young drivers. Overall, this demographic is 400% more likely to be involved in a car accident while texting and driving compared to more experienced drivers. Adults versus teens texting and driving statistics. In 2015, 42% of high school students who used their car in the past 30 days said that they texted while driving. However, adults behave much worse, it says. According to the AAA's research, 82% of adults aged 25 through 39 noted they used a cell phone while driving. That's not very good. A teen using a cell phone has the same reaction time as a 70-year-old, confirmed by a study by the University of Utah here. Drivers aged 25 through 39 text and drive the most, followed by those aged 40 to 59. According to research by USA Today, the number of teens and adults who text and drive are 43 and 49% respectively. You know, guys, that's 50%. That's half the people driving. That's incredible. That is not good at all. Not good at all. If you use a cell phone while driving, you'll spend 400% more time with your eyes off the road. This increases the chances of being involved in an accident by 23%. Furthermore, when it comes to cell phones and driving statistics, texting carries the highest risk out of all phone-related activities. 27% of U.S. drivers reported answering their phones while driving. 1.6 million, we saw that up there. 20% of U.S. drivers reported sending emails or texts while on the road. But there's one down here that I wanted to, drunk driving versus texting and driving statistics. According to a recent survey, 63% of respondents are more worried about distracted drivers than drunk drivers. Imagine that. And that's kind of crazy. However, this study included only 700 drivers. Even so, this is very telling. Most people are afraid of drivers that use a cell phone on the road. Now, and then following down here, it talks about in terms of fatal car accidents, the overall death toll caused by cell phones was 3,285 in 2016, while those by drunk driving was 10,497. Down here it says distracted driving causes 35% more injuries than drunk driving. And right here it says, according to distracted driving stats from 2015 alone, driving while using a cell phone caused 391,000 vehicle-related injuries, while driving under the influence of alcohol caused 290,000 vehicle-related injuries. Texting and driving is on the rise, while drunk driving is declining. Well, guys, that's about enough of the statistics here. I think it's easy enough to say that texting and driving is a complete and utter epidemic in our world today. Well, now I've found something here, a way that we can help this statistics and make a little bit of decent money for ourselves. So let's take a look at that and see how we can do that. Tab right here, we come over here to this page right here. Let me show you. It's called On My Way. You can see it right here in the address bar, onmyway.com. The only texting and driving solution that pays. You can see here it save lives, make money, and spread it on. And then you can see that this is a phone application, and it's available on the App Store for iPhones and Google Play for Android phones. And you can download this app right here on this site. Just simply, it says enter in your mobile phone number and click send, and they'll give you the ability to download it right to your phone, or in a moment I'll show it to you on Google Play and the App Store. It says right here, get paid cash for every mile you and your friends drive without texting or using your phone. How about this? This is a really great application. Whoever thought this up, this is a great idea. This is a very good idea here. It says here, you get paid 5 cents cash for every mile you drive and don't text. Passengers that are on My Way users will get paid as well. So if you have somebody riding in your car with you as a passenger and they are on the app, they have this app on their phone, they'll make money as well at the same time. You will immediately receive $10 cash when you become an On My Way user. So as soon as you install the app and you sign up with an account, that's an immediate $10 in your pocket right there. It says you can use your On My Way cash to buy deals at any of our participating merchants. And as you can see right here also, it says the money is in the referrals. They have a referral program, or an affiliate program if you will. You can make $2 one-time bonus each time one of your friends signs up, and you get 2 cents for every mile they drive without texting while driving. So that even makes it so you can even make even more money with that as well. It says when your friends sign up through your unique referral link, you'll immediately earn $2 plus 2 cents for every mile that they don't use their phone while they're driving. And this is the solution right here. You can see that you can make some decent money with this application and different things, and you can even use gift cards and get store cards for different things, and you can shop and use your On My Way cash to get discounts and things like that at stores and grocery stores and stuff. And or you can also get paid cash directly to PayPal, and I think it's Venmo, which I'll show you here shortly. And it says how it works right here. You download the free app onto any smartphone, and if someone sends you a message, they receive an automatic reply letting them know that you're driving. And once you stop at a traffic light or you arrive at your destination, you can simply check your messages and text back. On My Way automatically activates when driving over 10 miles per hour and disables text and app alerts. You can still make and answer phone calls if the phone is connected to your in-car Bluetooth network. Other applications such as Apple Maps and Google Maps and music stations, Spotify, Pandora will still work if activated before you start driving or while you're stopped. It says the On My Way app uses your phone's built-in functionality so it will not drain your battery. And your ride-alongs, you get paid too if you've had passengers, which I told you. The lives and accidents saved are priceless. As together in our first 6 months, this app came out back in 2019 sometime. It's only about a year old. In their first 6 months, it prevented over 15,000 car accidents, saved over 100 lives and counting. Even if you don't text and drive, the person that hits you or somebody you love does. Please help us in our mission to stop texting and driving, and we can't afford to wait. Alrighty guys, so like I say, you can get this on your cell phone. Here it is on the Google Play Store right here. On My Way Safe Drive, drive safe and get paid. And you can see some of the screenshots here of it. And you can use it in stores and so on and so forth. And also get cash as well with your app as well here. And it talks a little bit about it right here, but it says right here, enjoy, it says save your On My Way cash for our cash deals that pay you out of cash cards, store cards, and travel deals. Enjoy free offers and hugely discounted offers every day just for being part of On My Way and driving safely. Get paid directly through PayPal and Venmo. I don't know if you can see that right there. So make sure that you have a PayPal account, and then you can, if you want, you can just get your cash sent to PayPal. It's just that simple. This app has a 4.2 star rating out of 8,000 reviews on Google Play, and here it is over here on the App Store for iOS, and it's On My Way. It's got a 4.4 star rating out of 8,000 over here on this platform as well. Guys, this is what I had for you today. You're not going to make a lot of money with this, but more importantly, you're going to save the lives of you, your loved ones, and your friends and family members, and many other people. So I suggest that you come over and you take action on this, and let's get involved in this and help save lives on this terrible epidemic in our world that's worse than any coronavirus ever thought about being. And get started on that today. Alrighty guys, well if you like this video and you see the value in this and the importance of this, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you will. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified when I bring out new videos. Also, if you want to see my #1 recommended business, you want to reach down there where it says mentorwithkev.com at the top of my description and click that link right there and come over and see what's available for you at the back of my funnel, and get your online business set up in a short period of time for success online. Alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome and safe day today. Bye-bye now.